This video demonstrates the complete procedure for replacing the SP-401S solar panel. The process includes disconnecting the old panel, installing the new one, and verifying proper charging and operation. Prepare the required tools to perform the procedure. A 4mm Allen key, an H4 bit, a multibit sleeve screwdriver, a 13mm spanner, a 13mm socket, and a ratchet. When installing the screws, follow the recommended torque value specified in the table. To disconnect the solar panel cable from the lighting unit, rotate the latch counterclockwise and carefully remove it from the power connector. To remove the lighting unit from the permanent mount, use a 4mm hex key to unscrew the 4M510 screws under the mounting plate. Lift the lighting unit from the mounting plate. Remove the lighting unit from portable mount. Start by releasing the safety latches. Gently remove the lighting unit, being careful not to bend the rear latches. To remove the solar panel from the frame, you must unscrew the bottom bolts from the frangible connector. Use an H4 bit screwdriver or a 4mm hex key to loosen the screws. Remove the frame from the concrete asphalt base. Place the frame on the solar panel to gain easy access to the screws. Use a 4mm hex key or a screwdriver with an H4 bit to unscrew the 6M5x20 screws holding the solar panel to the base. Take off the frame and carefully pass the solar panel cable through the inner hole so it doesn't get damaged. Prepare a new solar panel from S4GA spare parts. Pass the solar panel cable through the middle hole in the base, make sure it goes along the side groove, and fit the frame to the solar panel. Use a 4mm hex key or an H4 bit screwdriver to tighten the 6M5x20 screws, securing the solar panel to the base. Place the entire mounting set onto the concrete baseplate by inserting the frangible coupling through the upper protruding part of the plate. Screw the frame to the base by tightening the loosened screws on the lower frangible connector. Place the lamp on the base and screw it in from underneath, tightening the screws opposite each other. Use 4 5x10 screws for the installation. Use a 4 mm hex key and tighten the screws to keep the lamp steady and secure. Before inserting the lamp, unlock and open the safety latches. Carefully insert the lamp so that the rear part hooks onto the latches holding the lamp in place. Then, close the front safety latches to lock the lamp securely in place. To connect the solar panel, look for the power connector on the side of the lighting unit. When connecting the devices, locate the thickest pin and align pin number 4 with input port number 4, or position it so that the thickest pin faces the power connector cover. Insert the connector carefully until it is fully seated in the socket, then turn the latch clockwise to lock the power cord in place. After installing the new solar panel, solar charging must be verified using the status LED indicator. Position the lamp so that the solar panel is properly oriented toward the sun and fully exposed to daylight. Ensure there are no shadows or obstructions blocking the panel surface. Observe the first blink in the status LED sequence. If the first blink is green, solar charging is detected and the panel is generating voltage correctly. If the first blink is red, solar charging is not detected. In this case, check the solar panel connection and verify that sufficient light is reaching the panel. Ensure the solar panel cable is properly connected and that the connector is fully seated. Also confirm that there is no damage to the cable and that the panel surface is clean and unobstructed. Successful confirmation of solar charging verifies that the new solar panel is properly installed and fully operational. If any abnormal behavior is detected, inspect all wiring and connections and perform the test again to confirm proper operation. For more information about replacing of the solar panel, refer to the SP-401S maintenance manual.